After a fun 4-hour road trip, by God's grace, we have finally arrived here in the Hican, Lanes Calapyahan Resort. Pagkatapos mag-park, we checked in and pumili na rin kami ng aming breakfast meals for the next day. Accommodating ang kanilang staff and maganda ang ambience ng resort. Ang ni-reserve ni Doc Fritz na room ay ang Family Superior Room. Sakto para sa family with kids or sa aming magkakaibigan. If you desire to have a vacation here, you can choose one of the rooms for your accommodation. Minigyan kami ng orange wristband na waterproof ng staff as a sign na naka-check-in na kami sa resort.
Power orange.
Power Ranger orange. Ranger.
Waterproof? Maning waterproof?
Yes po. Pwede pa nihatod sa Pitas na resort. Ako yan, wala kayo kung ikaw po. Hindi na siya mag passenger princess.
And then Fritz. What's the order mags?
Magpa-BP si Fritz.
Ako yung nagbiyahe naman. San Kawali. Doon na naman yung mga beaches.
Yeah.
Nice. Mawala yung drinks mo.
Nag-order rin kami ng aming dinner. Ipapahatid lang namin ito sa room dahil meron namang makakainan doon.
Lechon kawali. Bilhin mo na itong mga bang...
After this, sinamahan kami ng staff papunta doon. Let's go! Merong recreational amenities ang resort such as ping pong and billiards na pwede ninyong i-rent kung nais ninyong maglaro.
Room number 12 ito, Mag. Can you? Diretso na. Oh, nice. Doon kayo sa pool.
And now, let's have a room tour! Sa pagpasok, makikita natin ang TV, mini ref, table, and dalawang upuan. Dalawang matrimonial bed, and isang double-deck bed. Sa bandang kanan naman, makikita ang salamin, cabinet, at ang comfort room. Magkahiwalay ang kanilang shower room and toilet. At malaki rin ang kanilang salamin and may dalawang lavatory sa loob. Ang room na ito ay malapit sa pool and walking distance lang din sa beach.
Okay na. Let's go. Say hi. Tara. Tara na. Sulod na ta. Okay na. Oh. Hindi lang, kay continuous video man eh. TikTok po siya.
After settling and exploring for a while, nagpahinga muna kami sandali while waiting for our dinner.
Thanks, Brits. Nice driving. Thanks so much.
At dumating na ang aming dinner. Happy eating, everyone! We bonded and played some games together after eating dinner and swimming for a little bit. Thank God for the safety and His traveling mercy. Now, it's time to rest because tomorrow is another day for an adventure. Let's see kung may surfing bang mangyayari. Thank you for watching and God bless. See you on the next episode.